Hello YouTube, this is a video that I said I was going to film ages ago. This is a full car collection tour of all my cars on my diorama. Hope you enjoy. So, this is my storage shed and I've just got all like stuff in there. All my metalwork tools in there as well. So Torana, stock VL, work truck, trailer project, Range Rover, F-150 Raptor mower, Toyota truck, sand buggy, and then the Polaris. Blue HSV work van, Mustang at the front, Cybertruck, don't know why Cybertruck's there, 8086 truck, race truck. Over here I've just got my digger, mini truck, forklift, and then random Falcon. Right, this is where like the cool stuff is, not the boring stuff. I've got the Cruiser, my GTR, my 76, and then on these lifts I've got the Walkinshaw, I've got the GTO Chaser Formula 1 car. This house is probably going to get changed because when I built it, I just built it because my other one broke, so I needed a house and I needed a garage to store stuff. I'm thinking of building something similar to the Stradman's house. Everyone knows who he is if you watch YouTube and you watch like supercar videos and that. I've got in the workshop, this is probably where the more cooler cars are. I've got my 40 series, my Holden, and then on that thing I've got BMW GTR RX-7 LFA. I've got the Lambo, big boat, bike and that, 80 series Hilux with the work trailer. I'll take this out, trailer, Ferrari, McLaren W1, Bugatti, GTR, Huracan Dorado, Ferrari, Rimac Nevera, Porsche, F40, Supra, and then yeah, if you have any questions let me know in the comments. Bye YouTube.